know I was just here 2 seconds ago, but the camera kind of got off. So this is a part 2 video, ASMR. We're still gonna do some of the same triggers to wrap up the other video. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to comment with more ideas, smash that like button, subscribe guys, always subscribe. We're on the road to 20,000 followers, guys, and yeah, if you were watching the other video, then you know what's happening now. If you didn't, stop this video and go watch the first video, okay, the last one. But we are gonna be naming off some of our favorite Disney characters, so I'm gonna test you guys to see how well you know your Disney characters. Why is that shaking? That's weird. Okay, guys. Is that Cinderella? I don't even know who that is. I swear. I need to probably brush up on my Disney characters. If you guys said Baloo from the Jungle Book, you guessed right. If you guessed Pinocchio, obviously you guessed it right. This is my wife's favorite Disney princess, so obviously I know this one. If you guys guessed Belle, you got this one right. Alright, we're gonna do a few more, and then we're gonna do some other triggers, and then I'm gonna wrap up the video, okay guys, because this is a part 2, so. If you guessed the genie, you got it right. The mermaid. And if you guessed Dumbo, you got it right. You guys know your Disney characters pretty well. I'm impressed. Alright guys. I'm tired of crouching. This is a really awkward angle for me. Follow the light, follow the light, follow the light. Dude, this is actually like quite bright, so I'm gonna hold it back here. Follow the light, follow the dinosaur. Should we name the dinosaur? We should name him Greg, right? Greg the dinosaur. Follow Greg over here. Over here. Follow Greg right here. Follow the light, follow the light, light, light. Follow Greg. Okay. Not gonna lie, my computer is literally doing some random shit in the background every time I touch the keyboard or the mouse. Scanning, 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 scanning. Guys, I need to get like a scanner for my ASMR videos. Alright guys, we're gonna do an eye test. This is totally random, has nothing to do with the unboxing of my Labyrinth game, but we're moving on, okay? Now you have an eye test, so follow the marker, follow the marker, follow the marker, follow the marker. Follow the marker, follow the marker, follow the marker. Follow it, follow it, follow the marker everywhere it goes, guys. Everywhere it goes. Very good. You literally got 100% on your eye test. Alright guys, my brain bounces. I have really bad ADHD, so if my videos are kind of random, then that's why. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my first video if you did, and the second video if you stuck around for this one too. I really appreciate all the support, and I am really going to do my best to start posting more often. I am feeling a lot better. My mental health is a lot better, and I'm in a much better spot right now. I just started going back to work full-time a few weeks ago, so everything is a lot better now, and my head's in a much better spot. So thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, we're on the road to 20K, so if you like this video, please like, comment,